Good morning everyone, and this morning we're out at the motorhome and it's repair time. So what is the problem? Well, these roof lights, skylights, are starting to leak again. If you remember from an earlier video, way back when, they were leaking and we had to repair them. Well, they've started to leak again. So let's figure out why they're leaking, because we did try to seal them last time. You know, here's the sealant, look, I tried to seal it. But have a look at this. If you move it, can you see that? It's not sealed to the white plastic. So it looks like the water's getting in there. So let's see if we can do a more permanent repair. So to effect the repair, we've bought this contact adhesive. And we've also bought this rubber membrane strip. I think there's about 5 metres, 10 metre, I can't remember. But it's fiver. Probably could have been a bit thinner, but we'll make good of what we've got. But right, let's get up there and start scraping off some of the old sealant. Okay, that's some of that scraped off. Next job, use this drill and just gently rub down the surfaces, clear a bit more debris. Ignore that noise if you can hear that in the background, that's the Jaguar running. Right, that's prepared. Now we're going to use this roll and we'll cut some lengths to suit. There we go, those are all cut to size. Now just need to start bonding them on with some adhesive. So let's get started with that. Alright, so we've got these cheap disposable brushes. I'll leave a link below for you to get them. And what we do need to do now is apply contact adhesive on the roof and on the material. And then you leave it for 10 minutes. Let it go, touch dry, and then you can bring the two pieces together. So let's get started. Oh, my breath. Well, it was lifting a little because it's so sunny today, so hot. So I've put these bricks on just to hold it down until the sun goes in. Well, we're a few days in and put those bricks round to let it cure. And having checked, there is no leak. No leak inside the motorhome. So now I'm going to take the bricks off and just have a look at the state of the material underneath. And you know what? First glances, that's looking alright. It looks like it's bonded really well. So let's give it a sweep off. Let's have a better look. Superb. That's a bit cleaner, isn't it? Okay. Well, that's it. That'll do for that one. All we've got to do now is seal around that one, and job's a good one. So for now, we'll say goodbye from Shropshire, and say goodbye to our sheep you might be able to hear in the background. Well, not ours, the neighbours. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.